A lean compiled agent, PicoClaw. Watch me replace a 2 GB Python agent with a single binary that weighs less than a photo on your phone. Python collapses, a tiny binary takes center stage. PicoClaw versus Python. Edge efficiency that actually fits. This is the problem with modern AI. Everyone is buying $1,000 GPUs to run scripts that should run on a toaster. Today, we are analyzing PicoClaw. It is an autonomous agent framework written in Go. Unlike the standard openclaw or Python implementations, it doesn't need a virtual environment. It doesn't need a massive container. It boots in 200 milliseconds. It uses 8 megabytes of RAM. In this video, I'm going to show you why we are moving away from interpreted languages for autonomous agents, and how switching to a compiled architecture changes everything for edge computing. You don't need cloud rental, you just need efficient code. Transitioning into performance and footprint, terminal, memory gauge, compiled binary, and a tiny board. Pure speed. Let's look at the reality of the current ecosystem. When you build a standard agent, you pay a Python tax. You import LangChain, NumPy, Pydantic. Before you write a single line of logic, you have consumed 500 megabytes of memory. This is unacceptable for edge devices. If you're running a smart home controller on a Raspberry Pi Zero, you cannot afford to waste 90% of your RAM just loading libraries. Latency is the enemy. A Python agent takes seconds to initialize. If you need a security guard, you don't want it waking up 10 seconds after the break-in. You can use most storage installing software before running your code. Running a Python agent requires work before your code starts. That can take several seconds, longer on slow hardware. If the agent controls a door or sensor, 5 seconds is an eternity. The action needs to be instant. Startup lag rules Python out for many real-time edge apps. Finally, memory, RAM, the biggest killer. A basic Hello World Python agent can consume over a gigabyte of RAM. But our tiny board might only have 64 megabyte total. The Python agent won't fit. The system grinds to a halt or crashes. This is the Python tax for flexibility. Next up, why Go changes everything for agents. This is where PicoClaw changes the game. Sciped built this in pure Go. It compiles down to a static binary. That means there are no dependencies to install on the target machine. You don't need Python installed, you don't need pip, it's instantaneous. It connects to the LLM, whether that's OpenAI or a local Allama instance, and executes the tool loop immediately. This allows us to run high-level reasoning on low-level hardware. We are stripping away the bloat. We are going back to bare metal efficiency. The entire agent can be just a few megabytes in size. Instead of hundreds of megabytes of Python packages, you have one lean, efficient binary. Because it's a compiled binary, startup is ridiculously fast. There's no interpreter to load, no libraries to find and parse. The OS can load the program directly into memory and run it. We're not talking seconds, we're talking milliseconds. A demo run can show boot time of 0.002 seconds. That's practically instant. And memory usage? This is where it gets impressive. That same Go binary can run using just a handful of megabytes of RAM. Some tests show it using as little as 8 megabytes. Remember our little board, with only 64 megabytes of RAM. An 8 megabyte agent fits with plenty of room to spare. This is what makes running a sophisticated agent on $15 hardware not just possible, but practical. PicoClaw is designed from the ground up for this kind of resource-constrained environment. Recap: static binary, millisecond boot, 8 megabytes of RAM. Efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's about viability. PicoClaw makes autonomous agents possible on hardware that costs $15. In the next video, I will show you exactly how to build this from source. Don't let your hardware go to waste. Tap the subscribe button. We are building the system.